Everyone, uh, this is Jiten Kumar Singh. Yesterday we read about the part of speech and we have discussed noun there. After that, after noun, there is a pronoun that is will be discussed today. So first of all, what is pronoun? I think pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Pronoun वह होता है जो noun के स्थान पर यूज होता है. For example, if I say he plays cricket, so he is pronoun. Why we use pronoun? First thing is that why we use pronoun. Pronoun basically is used to avoid the repetition of the same sentence, same word in the sentence, same word, same sentence, because repetition of anything that is not good, and that's why we use pronoun. For example, we can write he plays cricket, he goes home, he is intelligent. But in place of he, if we use, for example, Mohan plays cricket, Mohan goes home, Mohan is intelligent. So repetition of the same words, Mohan is there, that is not good. Therefore we can use Mohan plays cricket, he goes home. Okay, so to avoid the repetition of the same word in sentences, we use pronoun. After that, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. सर्वनाम जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Next is how many types of pronoun are there. So the people, they define and they categorize the pronoun according to their own point of view, but I categorize it. There are 6 or 7 types of pronoun. One is personal pronoun, second is demonstrative pronoun, third is interrogative pronoun, fourth is indefinite pronoun, fifth is reflexive or emphatic. There are 2 pronouns I am mentioning here, and 6 is relative pronouns. Many people define it in a different way. So first of personal pronoun, what are the personal pronoun? I think the personal pronoun are those pronoun which are used in place of particularly noun. That is personal pronoun. Particularly in place of name, they are personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, there are 3 types of personal pronoun. First person personal pronoun, second person personal pronoun, third person personal pronoun. There are 3 cases in first person personal pronoun. I, me, my. I is subjective, objective and possessive case. Subjective, objective and possessive case. We, us, our. Second person personal pronoun. You, your. Third person personal. He, him, his. She, her. They, them, their. So this is the case of personal pronoun. This is the case of personal pronoun. 3 cases of personal pronoun. Okay. Next I have defined, that is demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun is that pronoun which is used to demonstrate something. Like this is my pen. Here this is demonstrative pronoun, my is personal pronoun. That is your bag. Okay, that is demonstrative pronoun, and your is it's a personal pronoun, second person personal pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, what are interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun are those pronouns which are used for interrogative, for the question mark. Who does solve the question? This is who is interrogative pronoun. Whose interrogative pronoun? Okay. Where do you go? What does he do? What does he do? So whatever the interrogative words are there, they are called interrogative pronoun. Understood? Okay. Next is that is interrogate, that is indefinite. What is indefinite? Indefinite are the words which are not definitely defined, like some. Some is not defined. Somewhere. It is also not defined. None. I don't know who. None. Indefinite. Everybody. Everyone. If I say somebody love to eat sweet. If I say somebody, कोई means someone or somebody loves to eat sweet. कौन करता है पता नहीं. It is not definite. It is indefinite. पता नहीं कौन करता है कौन नहीं करता है. तो इस तरह के जो प्रोनाउन होते हैं, they are called indefinite pronoun. Somebody, somewhere, none, everybody, somehow, someone, sometimes. These are the indefinite pronoun. After that, there is reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronoun क्या है? Emphatic pronoun क्या है? Myself. For example, myself. This is the word. अगर इसको हम लोग सेंटेंस में लिखें, I am clever myself. So जब ये सेल्फ माई सेल्फ किसी भी सेंटेंस को रिफ्लेक्ट करने, किसी सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट को रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए आता है, लेकिन वो सेंटेंस के लास्ट में रखा जाता है. सेंटेंस के लास्ट में रखा जाता है तो वो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई राइट अ लेटर माई सेल्फ इज एट द एंड ऑफ सेंटेंस, इसलिए ये यहाँ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन हुआ. आई माई सेल्फ राइट अ लेटर, दैट इज एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन. तो रिफ्लेक्सिव एंड एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन, they are similar but their use is different. Reflexive pronoun may be put anywhere in the sentence, but emphatic pronoun is always put after the pronoun which it defines. ये जिसको डिफाइन करता है उसके जस्ट बाद रखा जाता है emphatic pronoun. So I think that you have understood about that. Reflexive and emphatic pronoun. After that there is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun का मतलब संबंध स्थापित करने वाला. For example, if I say I know the place. अब प्लेस के लिए क्या एडजेक्टिव यूज किया जा सकता है? प्लेस के लिए वेयर यू लिव. This is relative pronoun. If I say I don't know who calls you, मुझे नहीं पता तुम्हें कौन बुला रहा है. Who is relative pronoun. क्यों? I don't know who calls you. Who is relative pronoun. Then after the last, I think that is the relative pronoun. After that, so these are the pronouns which are defined. Basically, sometimes the people defines it in a different way according to their faculty. So I think so. Basically, pronoun is a word. So let us summarize it. Let us again revise it. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, वाई यू यूज प्रोनाउन, प्रोनाउन क्यों यूज़ किए जाते हैं. प्रोनाउन मीन्स to avoid the repetition of the same word in the sentence, the pronoun are used. So there are many types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, there are 3 types of personal pronoun: first person personal pronoun, second person personal, and third person personal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Sometimes the people also keeps definite pronoun, so you will consider it later. Reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and relative pronoun. These are the different types of pronoun. So I think that you have understood what is pronoun and how many types of pronoun are. So thank you very much, and write it in your copy. That will be written grammar copy. Have a good day. Thank you.